Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Beko washing machine quickly and easily. First, turn off the washing machine and unplug it from the power outlet for safety. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the control board to fully power down. Next, plug the machine back in and turn it on. Press and hold the Start/Pause button for 3 to 5 seconds. On most Beko models, this will reset the control board and clear any error codes. If your machine has a digital display, check that all lights have returned to normal. This indicates the reset was successful. For models with a cycle selector, you may also need to turn the dial to a default setting before starting a new wash. Finally, run a short test cycle without laundry to ensure the machine operates normally and the reset has worked. By following these steps, you can quickly reset your Beko washing machine and get it back to proper working condition. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.